Now after a small break, we're gonna get inside. We're gonna start the car. And as you can hear the knock. The other problem I have is this. Which is, you can see it good, it's blowing smoke. So, you're listening carefully. The motor has a really nice knock in it. But I can actually hear. And let's check the most important thing, my oil pressure gauge. It's telling me that my car is running roughly 60 pounds of pressure at, let's see how many RPM. At 1,000 RPM, I have 60 pounds of pressure. So I have more than enough oil pressure at idle. The problem is the motor has blow by. My oil pressure is settling. So, my problem is that the motor's not running. It's spinning, but it has a really loud knock in the middle. Here's the video, as you asked. Good.